Hello and welcome to IBM Interconnect 2015. I'm Kevin Ayres and with me is Stephen Jones, CTO and founder of TriDatum Solutions. Welcome on the show.
Thank you.
Now, so why don't you tell us a little bit, Stephen, about TriDatum and what it is you do?
So we're transformation specialists that help businesses to, one, analyze the existing workloads, on-prem workloads, for the ones that are relevant for the cloud, and then we securely migrate and maintain what we call, and I think the world is calling, a hybrid type environment, which we believe to be the future.
Right.
Secondly, helping companies mobilize in a secure manner their workforces while enabling them to discover and to secure the challenges associated with shadow IT, and then the optimization of on-prem infrastructures through the implementation of these next generation technologies around flash, around the software-defined, converged infrastructure that we see being the future, together with analytics and fraud discovery and protection.
You mentioned a lot of things there, some quite innovative things. It sounds like you're kind of on the cutting edge. What would you say is your USP? Why is TriDatum different?
I think it's most people are approaching the enterprises with point solutions, whereas our approach is more centered around discovering what's true to the current state, helping people to discover the relevant next generation technologies that apply, and then utilizing whatever makes sense versus the rip and replace.
So it's a solution
approach.
sell. It's not, you're not trying to sell a box or a.
That's right.
It's a proper solution sell.
That's right, and it's very comprehensive versus like I said, the point solutions. I mean, simply put, we're really about securing enterprises through the integration of the cloud, security, mobility, storage, and software-defined X.
And you mentioned security a few times, and I guess obviously in this the world of hybrid cloud, it's really important. Do I keep my data? Which data must I keep on site versus what am I prepared to have off site? I guess so.
And I think one of the biggest challenges that we're seeing most face is the perception of security being quite different from the reality.
Right.
So finding a way to identify the workloads that are connected or their dependencies, delivering a solution that extends their existing investments in security, but at the same time not compromising what they put in the public or private cloud infrastructures.
Is there a specific example you could give of that? Obviously, I realize you can't necessarily mention particular client names, but is there a solution you'd like to share with us around that?
Yeah, there are a couple. We have a fairly large oil and gas client that was looking to implement SAP. They have 47 data centers with their own gear. They were looking to leverage the private cloud, physically private cloud aspects of SoftLayer, but at the same time allowing them to utilize the existing investments in their security space. A fairly large financial institution, 300 branches that we delivered as a service, but for on-prem. But at the same time now, how do we bring them back into SoftLayer to enable a cohesive, secured disaster recovery type solution?
Right, okay. Now, you mentioned SoftLayer there. I was going to ask you about that. Obviously, IBM acquired SoftLayer fairly recently. How has that affected you? How are you seeing that teaming approach, and how has that affected you?
It's significant. I mean, we're a sales agent for SoftLayer in the Southeast. And then we also
Sorry
have,
about that. Just setting up for this evening's festivities.
and then we also have a direct relationship. So for those that want a turnkey managed solution, we can deliver on our paper. For those that want to do IBM, we deliver through there. We also have it for CMS, and then we have a direct consulting services agreement with IBM, so we're able to leverage different technologies to enable migrations into SoftLayer. And the reason why SoftLayer is who we lead with primarily is because of our ability to truly leverage public while maintaining private through their bare metal capabilities.
Stephen, it sounds like you've got a great solution for public and private cloud, either the hybrid environments. So thanks for coming down and sharing it with us.
Oh, thank you.
Great, and thanks to you for watching. You've been watching me, Kevin Ayres, at IBM Interconnect 2015.